Hi, please subscribe my channel. Now let us learn to find the sum to first n terms of a geometric progression whose first term is a and common ratio r. To find the sum to first n terms of a geometric progression whose first term is a and common ratio is r. The given geometric progression is a ar square and so on and so on, ar to the power of n minus 2, ar to the power of n minus 1, and so on and so on and so on terms. Let sum to n terms Sn is equal to a plus ar plus ar square plus and so on plus ar to the power of n minus 2 plus ar to the power of n minus 1 and so on and so on. This indicates first one. Multiplying this, multiplying 1 throughout with r means here common ratio r, it becomes r into Sn is equal to r of a plus ar plus ar square plus and so on plus ar to the power of n minus 2 plus ar to the power of n minus 1. It implies r into Sn is equal to r into ar plus r into ar square plus r into ar square ar cube plus and so on plus r into a r into ar to the power of n minus 2, r into r to the power of minus 2 becomes a into r to the power of n minus 1 plus r into a into r to the power of n minus 1 becomes a into r to the power of n. After multiplying with r common ratio to this sum to n terms, ar plus ar square plus ar cube plus and so on plus ar to the power of n minus 1 plus ar to the power of n. This indicates second one. Now, on subtracting first one and second one, we get Sn is equal to first one a plus ar plus ar square plus ar cube plus and so on plus ar to the power of n minus 2 plus a into r to the power of n minus 1. And from second one is this r into Sn is equal to r plus r square plus r cube plus and so on plus a into r to the power of n minus 1 plus a into r into Sn is equal to ar plus ar square plus ar cube plus and so on plus ar to the power of n minus 2 plus a into r to the power of n minus 1 plus a into r to the power of n. On subtracting 1 and 2, so now we are going to subtract these two now. In algebra, when we subtract the two equations, the signs will be changed here. So, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So, on subtracting, so here minus, plus minus, here also plus becomes minus, and so on. Here plus becomes minus, here also minus, here also minus. Now, on careful observation, for both 1 and 2, Sn is equal to a plus ar plus ar square plus ar cube plus and so on plus ar to the power of n minus 2 plus a into r to the power of n minus 1. And r into Sn is equal to ar plus ar square plus ar cube plus and so on plus ar to the power of n minus 2 plus ar to the power of n minus 1 plus ar to the power of n. So here plus becomes minus, here also plus becomes minus, here also plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, and so on plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. So the like terms here, in this like terms are minus ar plus ar, both are cancelled. Here also minus ar square plus ar square, both are cancelled. Here also minus ar cube plus ar cube, both are cancelled here. And so on terms. Here also plus a to the power of n minus 2. Here also minus a into r to the power of n minus 2. These two are also cancelled. Plus a to the power of n minus 2 minus a to the power of n minus 2. Here also plus a to the power of n minus 1 minus a to the power of n minus 1. These two are also cancelled. The leftover term is here minus a into r to the power of n. Only minus a to the power of n. Here only a. Here a is left over. Here minus a to the power of n. Minus a into r to the power of n. So Sn minus r into Sn is equal to a minus a into r to the power of n. Implies I'm taking Sn is the common for these two. Sn of 1 minus r is equal to, on right hand side a is the common factor here. A of 1 minus r to the power of n implies Sn is equal to a of 1 minus r to the power of n by 1 minus r. Sum to n terms is equal to a of 1 minus r to the power of n by 1 minus r. For these two conditions are there, therefore Sn is equal to a of 1 minus r to the power of n by 1 minus r. When it is possible, if common ratio r is less than 1, if common ratio is less than 1, the sum to n terms is a of 1 minus r to the power of n by 1 minus r. And similarly, Sn is equal to, sum to n terms is equal to a of r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. When it is possible, r minus 1. If common ratio r is greater than 1. When common ratio is greater than 1, sum to n terms is equal to a of r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. And when common ratio is less than 1, the sum to n terms is here a of 1 minus r to the power of n by 1 minus r. So these two are the sum to first n terms of a G geometric progression. In this, whose first term is a and common ratio is r. Selection of terms in geometric progression. Selection of terms in geometric progression. Number of terms here. Number of terms. Terms. Common terms ratio. Common terms ratio. First one, number of terms is 3. Those terms are a by r, a into r. Common ratio for these terms is small r. Now number of terms 4. They are a by r cube, a by r, a into r, a into r cube. These are the 4 terms. The common terms ratio is r square. Now number of terms 5. Those 5 terms are a by r square, a by r, a into r, a into r square. The common ratio of these terms is r. Now number of terms 6. The 6 terms are a by r to the power of 5, a by r cube, a by r, a into r, a into r cube, a into r to the power of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 terms of selection of terms in geometric progression. The common ratio of these terms is r square. Points. The first one is if 2m numbers in geometric progression whose properties is given are to be taken as m belongs to capital N. Here capital N is in natural numbers, set of natural numbers. A by r to the power of 2m minus 1, a by r to the power of 2m minus 3, and so on and so on. A by r cube, a by r, a into r, a into r cube, and so on and so on. A into r to the power of 2m minus 3, a into r to the power of 2m minus 1. A by r to the power of 2m minus 1, a by r to the power of 2m minus 3, and so on and so on. A by r cube, a by r, a into r, a into r cube, and so on and so on and so on. A into r to the power of 2m minus 3, a into r to the power of 2m minus 1. This is the first one note point here. When 2m numbers in geometric progression, this is applicable. Now we are going to second one. If 2m plus 1 numbers in geometric progression whose product is given, are to be taken as m belongs to capital N. Here also n is the natural numbers. A by r to the power of m, a by r to the power of m minus 1, and so on and so on. A by r, comma a into r, and so on and so on. A into r to the power of m minus 1, comma a into r to the power of m. These are the terms can be taken when 2m plus 1 numbers are in geometric progression whose product is given there. Problems. The first one problem, find the 10th term and sum of first 10 terms. Of the geometric progression 2, 4, 8, and so on and so on and so on terms. Find the 10th term and sum of first 10 terms of the geometric progression 2, 4, 8, and so on. For this problem solution as follows now. We are given the geometric progression 2, 4, 8, and so on terms. So given that 2, 4, 8, and so on terms are in geometric progression. Here the first term is 2, second term is 4, third term is 8, and so on terms are there in this. So the first term T1 is equal to A is equal to 2. and second term 2 is equal T2 is equal to 4 and third term T3 is equal to 8. Now we have to find the common ratio of this sequence. Common ratio already known by us, that common ratio is equal to Tn by Tn minus 1. It becomes, when you take second term, it becomes T2, n minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. That means T2 by T1. Similarly, T3 by T2. Why? Because here we are taking only 3 terms, first term, second term and third term. So, T2 by T1. So, T2 is equal to 4 by T1 is equal to 2. T3 is equal to 8. T2 is equal to 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4 ones are 4 twos are. This is equal to, the common ratio is equal to 2 for all these terms. So, therefore, common ratio R is equal to 2. Here, this common ratio is greater than 1, not less than 1. Why? Because common ratio is positive integer here. So, where common ratio is greater than 1 here, greater than 1, we have got this value. So, for this we have to take the 10th term and sum of first terms we have to find now. So, for that we have to take common ratio is greater than 1. Based on this we are taking the formula here. So, now to find 10th term and sum of the first 10 terms, S10. Tenth term and sum of the first 10 terms we are going to find now. Already known by us in the geometric progression, the nth term is Tn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. So here we need to find the 10th term. The 10th term is implies T10 is equal, the first term is equal to already known by us 2, A is equal to 2 into common ratio R is also 2 and n is equal to already known by us, that is 10. We need to find the 10th term. So 10 minus 1. This is equal to 2 into 2 to the power of 10 minus 1, 9. 2 to the power of 9. It becomes a to the power of m into a to the power of n. That means here when bases are equal in the product, in the multiplication, the powers will be added. So 2 to the power of 10, it becomes 2 to the power of 10. Since you know that a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. By using this, it becomes 2 to the power of 10. Therefore, the 10th term is equal to 2 to the power of 10. When common ratio R is greater than 1, sum to n terms is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. So here we need to find the S10. Sum to n terms means here S10 in place of n10. S10 S10 is equal to common first term A value is 2 and common ratio R value is also 2. 2 to the power of in place of n 10 minus 1 divided by R minus 1 2 minus 1 implies sum to 10 terms is equal to 2 of 2 to the power of 10 2 to the power of 10 minus 1 here multiplying 2 into 2 into 2 into 10 times the result of 2 to the power of 10 is 1024 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 1 implies S10 is equal to 2 of 1024 minus 1 becomes 1023 divided by 1 means here same thing here, that is equal to implies S10 is equal to 2 1 ja 2 2 3 ja 6 2 2 ja 4 2 0 0 2 1 ja 2, that means here 2046 on multiplication 2 into 1023 it becomes 2046. Therefore sum to 10 terms, sum of the 10 terms, sum to 10 terms S10 is equal to 2046. So the required terms just we have found out the required terms are T10 10th term is equal to 2 to the power of 10 and sum to 10 terms is S10 is equal to 2046. Now problem 2. Four numbers are in geometric progression the sum of the first and third is 15. The sum of the second and fourth is 30. Find the numbers. Four numbers are in geometric progression. The sum of the first and third is 15. The sum of the second and fourth is 30. Find the numbers. So this problem is related to 4 numbers. But further problems, 5 numbers are in geometric progression and 6 numbers are in geometric progression will also come further. So the procedure of doing the sum is also as this sum similar to this sum. So you can follow like that, like this sum for 5 numbers and 6 numbers also. So now we are going to do this sum for 4 numbers are in geometric progression. What are those numbers we have to find now? Solution as follows. 4 numbers in geometric progression. A by r cube, A by r, A into r, A into r cube. These are the 4 numbers in geometric progression. By the hypothesis we have the sum of the first and third is the 15. The sum of the first term and third term is 15. That means here A by r cube, first one, plus third one is A into r is how much is given? 15. It indicates first one relation. Similarly, the sum of the second and fourth one is 30. That is given here. The sum of the second one, second one A by r, and fourth is AR cube is 30 is given. So A by r second one plus last one fourth is A into r cube is equal to 30. It indicates second one. Now by using this first one and second one, we have to find the common ratio value. So common ratio and as well as first term also. So implies divides 1 by 2. Divides 1 by 2. 1 by 2. First relation by second relation. That means here first one by second one. So 1 by 2. Implies the first one is A into A by r cube plus A into r, and second one is divided by A by r plus A into r cube is equal to A by r cube plus AR is equal to 15 is given. By A by r plus AR cube is 30 is given. So here in the numerator A is common. A of 1 by r cube plus r divided by, in the denominator also A is the common factor. So A of 1 by r plus r cube is equal to 15 ones are 15 twos are. So it becomes 1 by 2. So here in the numerator A and denominator A both are cancelled here. Both are cancelled. Implies the leftover terms numerator and denominator are 1 by r cube plus r divided by 1 by r plus r cube is equal to 1 by 2. M plus 1 by r cube plus r by 1 by r plus r cube is equal to 1 by 2. M plus in the numerator r is r 1 by r cube plus r by 1. In the denominator 1 by r plus r cube by 1. So we can take for both numerator and denominator LCM separately. It will becomes 1 plus r to the power of 4 by r cube all divided by 1 by 1 plus r to the power of 4 by r is equal to 1 by 2. So it becomes 1 plus r to the power of 4 by r cube into a by b whole divided by c by d is equal to ad by bc. ad by bc. So that means r by 1 plus r to the power of 4 is equal to 1 by 2. That means here 1 plus r to the power of 4, 1 plus r to the power of 4 both are cancelled directly. So here r cube, here in the denominator here r square is left over here. After cancelling by r, here r square is left over. M plus 1 by r square is equal to 1 by 2. M plus r square is equal to 2. M plus r is equal to root of 2. Therefore common ratio r is equal to root 2. From 1 we have a by r cube plus a into r is equal to 15. M plus here already known by us common ratio value is to root 2. So a by root 2 whole cube plus a into root 2 is equal to 15. M plus a by root 2 whole cube plus a into root 2 is equal to 15. On LCM of these two, root 2 whole cube in the second term 1 is 1. So the LCM is root 2 whole cube. So a plus a into root 2 into root 2 whole cube by root 2 whole cube is equal to 15. And plus a plus a into root 2 whole cube. It becomes root 2 whole to the power of 4. Root 2 whole to the power of 4 becomes root 2 into root 2, root 2 into root 2. 2 2s are 4. So a plus 4a divided by root 2 into root 2 into root 2. 2 root 2 is equal to 15. And plus a plus 4a becomes 5a. 5a by 2 root 2 is equal to 15. m plus 5a is equal to 15 into 2 root 2. So now a is equal to 15 2 root 2 divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. M plus a is equal to 3 into 2 root 2. So 3 into 2 6, 6 root 2. A is equal to 6 root 2. A is equal to 6 root 2. Just we got. Therefore, A is equal to 6 root 2 and common ratio R is equal to root 2. These values A and common ratio R in A by R cube, comma A by R, A into R, A into R cube. We have A by R cube is equal to A value is 6 root 2 divided by R cube, root 2 whole cube. This becomes 6 root 2 by root 2 whole cube becomes 2 into root 2. Root 2 cancelled, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja is equal to 3. And A by R is equal to 6 root 2 by root 2 is equal to, here in the numerator root 2 and denominator root 2 both are cancelled, is equal to A by R is equal to 6. And similarly A into R is equal to, A is equal to 6 root 2 into R is equal to root 2. So here 6 root 2 into root 2. So 6 into root 2 into root 2. Root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square is equal to 2. 6 into 2, 12. And AR cube is equal to, A is equal to 6 root 2 into R value is root 2 whole cube. R cube is equal to root 2 whole cube. So it becomes 6 into root 2 into root 2 whole cube is equal to 2 root 2. 6 into 2, 6 2 ja 12. Root 2 into root 2 whole square becomes 2. So 6 2 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24 is equal to 24. Therefore, required numbers are 3, 6, 12, 24. 3, 6, 12 and 24. This is the required answer.